the 2 new classroom English topics this week? What are the 2 new classroom English topics this week? It's on your paper there on page 50. 53. What are the 2 new classroom English topics? You have 10 seconds.
What did you learn today?
I said we're going to learn 1 today, 1 tomorrow. Gozoda, you got to look at the rubric. You got to look at page 53. This is a scavenger hunt. Don't look around, look at the book. 53. What are they? No, we didn't do that today. No. What did we do today? Yeah, we did that today.